guys, Tony here from Tony's Tech again, and today I've got something really good. I've done it before, I'm going to do it again. It's the Subway Surfers 2016 hack. You know, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is download this file, that is it, alright, and install it, nothing else. To prove to you it's legit, I go to the Play Store, I'll go to Subway Surfers, click on it, install, alright, accept. Wait for that to download. Should download pretty fast. My internet ain't that bad. Once it's downloaded, I'll open it up, prove to you, no coins, fresh install, yeah? So, just wait for it to download a second. And any second now, can open it. There we go. So, as you can see, opening Subway Surfers, just downloaded it, so just wait for this to load up. Obviously, you'll already have it installed. I'm just doing this to prove to you that it works. Right, tap to play. I'll have to go through that first bit where it shows you what to do. So, jump over the barriers, slide under the barrier, and dodge the trains. Okay, so I'll just kill myself. I'll kill myself again. There we go, chain up here, look. So, kill myself, look. There we go. I don't think we've got any coins there, actually, so. Right, so, as you can see, guys, no coins, 5 keys, alright? So, you know, so let's pretend you're like this. You've got no coins, you want keys, you want it hacked, you want unlimited coins. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is where the video actually starts. That was me proving that, that I'm legit and it's legit and everything. So, you want to find your Subway Surfers installation. Now you want to do this. See, it's on the home page here, look, yeah? Don't touch that. Go into your app drawer, find it there, and then you want to click on install. Because sometimes it won't install if it's on your home screen, alright? So make sure you uninstall it from your app store. And it should stay uninstall finished like mine just has. So then, you want to download the file, which I've linked in the description below. It should automatically download because it's from Google Drive and that. If it done, just click on it, go to the website, Google Drive, it'll come on automatically. Just press download. That's basically it, alright. Once it's downloaded, you want to go to your files, you want to go to device storage, then you want to click download, and you should find it there. You might on your file manager, you might also have something download history. You can click that right there straight away. So what you want to do, you want to click that. Now, if for a lot of you it'll come up saying install blocked, you want to just click settings, click allow unknown sources, and then it'll be alright, right? So just click install.